Rainbow trout are an American species brought over for fishing and aquaculture here in the UK. For the most part, that means that they can't spawn in most of our rivers and lakes, the notable exception being the Derbyshire Wye. But are there any other rivers that rainbow trout have successfully spawned in?
Firstly, let's look into why there are so few breeding populations. In the UK, all the rainbow trout that are farmed are either for the table or for stocking, and they're infertile, triploids, or they're all female, so in theory they shouldn't spawn, even if they get into a river. Typically, rainbow trout are also stocked either into large reservoirs or small trout lakes, which neither have suitable conditions for them to be able to spawn in, even if they could.
So we know what the rainbows need to spawn, but being so widespread, why haven't they colonised more rivers?
In the 1890s, eyed ova were imported by boat from the Bar-Jar coastal range in California. These eggs hatched out into Ashford Lake just north of Bakewell, where they were grown on and became adults. After 5 years, a massive flood occurred which broke the lake dam, allowing these rainbow trout to escape into the Derbyshire River Wye. By chance, the river has many of the same characteristics as the original river from which they came in California, allowing them to thrive and become successful spawners. It's for a combination of clean, cool water with lots of food, and its limestone properties support many rainbow trout. There are records of other rivers supporting wild rainbows like the Chess, Chew, Ryburn and Dower, but none of these have consistent numbers that the Wye does. So while it's possible other rivers have some, the Wye is the only river in Britain that you can reliably see and target wild rainbow trout.
So it seems that the Derbyshire Wye is the most successful and prolific river for spawning rainbows. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed this vid. If you can subscribe to the channel, it really helps me out and it takes 2 seconds for you. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.